uses
300.
one hand.
It's not that much, really.
Just to make sure that, and it does roll in his hand.
Has it got a thick handle on it?
It's big, but I mean, it's nothing you can't get your hand around.
It's like a 2-inch handle, 2-inch diameter.
It's 300 pounds. You got to lift it with one arm, and you don't have any straps on it. Grip strength.
Jeff Johnson, thank you. You tried to help him, no doubt about that. We're going to try and get a camera angle to show you that inside the box, it's rolling. It's rolling. And the whole idea is because the handle is so thick. 300 pounds.
So you got to have a big fucking hand.
We know that these gentlemen, if it was on a bar, they could deadlift 300 pounds. We know that. This is a different ballgame. This is all about whether or not you can actually grip it and pick it up. And it will roll to the weakest part of your hand. Here we go. Andrew Durniak. Andrew Durniak has his hand around the bar. As he lifts, it's rotating towards his fingertips.
Has anybody ever done it?
No.
I thought they said
He is able to lift it.
I thought they said Mark Henry did it.
That by in itself is amazing.
Just too much weight on your fingers.
It's coming up an inch or two, and nobody, Dr. Terry Todd just told me nobody's ever done that before to lift it even a little bit.
Yeah, he said nobody's ever lifted it. Not this new one.